In step 2, we will configure the Photoshop workspace. The workspace refers to specific layouts of the Photoshop interface that are optimized for typical workflows. In this tutorial, we'll be using the default Essentials workspace. To ensure that we have the correct workspace selected, click Window on the Photoshop menu and choose Workspace. Select Essentials if it is not already selected, and you can also tick off Lock Workspace to prevent the workspace from being modified accidentally. The Photoshop interface is determined by the chosen workspace configuration and consists of several panels, a toolbar, and other elements. You'll find the document window in the center of the screen. It shows you the document that you're working on, and it updates in real time as you make modifications and edits. On the left side of the screen, you will see the Photoshop toolbar. In this tutorial, we will use several of these tools. The tools are organized into groups, and if you hover your mouse over a button, you will see a tooltip with additional information about the tool. If you click and hold down the mouse button, you will see a flyout menu with additional tools in the same group, so you can change the active tool if you need to. Situated along the top of the Photoshop interface is the Options bar. This is a contextual menu that changes based on the tool that you have selected. Just below the Options bar sits the Document tabs. New documents are loaded into tabs so you can quickly switch between them without having to swap windows. The default workspace configuration sets up the panels on the right side of the screen. From top to bottom, they are the Color panel, the Properties panel, and the Layers panel. The Layers panel is the central feature in Photoshop. Everything we'll be doing revolves around the use of layers to accomplish our work. Below the Layers panel is an essential set of functions that we'll use extensively in this course. Because the icons themselves are tiny and placed right at the screen's bottom edge, they can be hard to see at first. Just make a note of where they are at this point so you can find them when you need them later.